total of 1152 students are arranged in rows and columns such that there are y by 2 rows and y columns. So we need to find out how many students are there in each row. So total number of students is 1152. They are arranged in rows and columns. So number of rows multiplied by the number of columns would be number of students in all the rows multiplied by number of columns would be the total number of students. This is 1152. Now we have that the number of rows is y by 2 and number of columns is y. That is y squared by 2 equals 1152. That implies y squared equals 2304. That implies y equals 48. Now the number of rows would be y by 2, that is 48 by 2, that is 24. Now in these 24 rows, how many students would be there? So number of students per row would be total number of students by the number of rows, which is 48. So B is the right answer. What is the smallest positive number by which 4500 should be divided to make the result a perfect cube? First of all, what is 4500? Let us prime factorize it. So 4500 is nothing but 9 multiplied by 500. That is nothing but 9 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 20. So this is 3 square, 5 cube and 2 squared. So to make this a perfect cube, I would have to drop off these two terms. So 3 squared into 2 squared. So if I divide it with 3 squared and 2 squared, I'll be left with 5 cube. So to make it a perfect cube, I would have to divide it with 3 square multiplied by 4 square, that is 9 into 4, 36. So the smallest positive number by which we need to divide it would be 36 to make it a perfect cube. Now what would be the smallest positive number by which we can multiply? What is a positive or smallest positive number that we can multiply 4500 with to make the result a perfect cube? So here if we multiply with another 3, it will become 3 cube. If we multiply with another 2, it will become 2 cubed. So it will become 3 cubed, 5 cubed and 2 cubed. So I just need to add 3 and a 2. So if I multiply with 3 and 2, that is if I multiply with 6, it will turn into a perfect cube. If I divide it by 36, it will result in a perfect cube. So option B is the right answer. Find the largest quantity that can measure exactly 3 liter 250 ml, 3 liter 500 ml, 4 liter and 3 liter. So to solve this, we need to determine the greatest common divisor, that is GCD, of the given quantities, and we need to convert the same to all of them to the same unit, that is milliliters. So converting all the quantities into milliliters, so this would be 3250 ml, this would be 3500 ml, 4 liter would be 4000 ml, and 3 liter would be 3000 ml. So now I need to find the GCD of all these 4 numbers. So I need to prime factorize. So 3250 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 5 cubed multiplied by 13. Similarly, 3500 is nothing but 4, that is 2 square, multiplied by 125 multiplied by 7. 4000 will be 16, that is 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 125, that is 5 cubed. Then 3000 would be 8, that is 2 cubed multiplied by 5 cube. Now to find the GCD, we simply pick the common factors, which are 2 and 5, and the highest factors which are common in all the given numbers. So the highest factor here is 1, which is present in all the 4 numbers. With respect to 5, it will be 5 cube which is there. So it is 2 multiplied by 5 cube, which is 250 ml. So option C is the right answer.